Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to move files now. Start by verifying your iPhone or iPad and laptop are awake, unlocked, and either on the same Wi-Fi network or connected with a cable. Open Finder or Settings on your Apple device and enable AirDrop or iCloud Drive, depending on your plan. If using a cable, trust the computer when prompted and choose File Transfer Mode. Once done, pick the specific photos, documents, or folders you want to send and prepare to initiate the transfer from the source. Now perform the actual transfer. For AirDrop, tap Share, pick your laptop, and accept the incoming files on the computer. AirDrop uses Bluetooth and Wi-Fi for speed, so proximity matters. For a wired USB transfer, open Finder or Photos on the laptop, select the device, then drag and drop files into the desired folder. This is best for bulk or large files. If you chose iCloud, make sure syncing finished on the Apple device. Then access the files via Finder's iCloud Drive or iCloud. Finish by confirming each file opened correctly and that sizes match the originals. This prevents corrupted transfers. If you used a cable, eject the device safely before unplugging, and consider enabling a backup so you don't lose data. Make sure folders are organized where you want them on the laptop. If something goes wrong, try toggling AirDrop or Wi-Fi, reboot both devices, or swap to a known good USB cable. Often a restart or a different cable resolves connection and transfer failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.